Hey children, look at the picture. It's a parrot. It has a beautiful red beak. Parrot is very intelligent and naughty bird. It's found in hot countries. Parrots are of different colors. It is a talking bird. It can imitate the human voice. Parrot can fly at very high speed. Parrots build their houses in pits of trees. Parrots like to live in groups and they make a lot of noise. Parrot eats nuts, fruit, rice, boiled grains and seeds. The average age of parrot is 10 to 15 years. Some people keep it in small cage, which is not good. Thanks. Have a nice day.